Hi, and welcome to the Jelvix channel. At Jelvix, we often get questions about dedicated development teams. Clients wonder if it's right for their business, how the process works, and where to begin. As experienced experts with a track record of diverse projects, from building deep neural networks for a German music production center to creating LiDAR and 3D scanner apps, we'd like to share our experience. Today, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process of hiring a dedicated development team. We're Jelvix, a software development partner for industry leaders. We post weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, use the Super Thanks feature to support our channel so we can deliver more great content. And make sure to watch till the end of the video to learn what are the 3 core pillars of a project success for a dedicated development team model. Let's get started. The process of hiring a dedicated development team begins with defining the project requirements. Clearly outlining your project needs helps set expectations, aligns goals, and ensures that the development team understands the scope, objectives, and milestones of the project. When these aspects are well defined, it becomes easier to select an appropriate dedicated development team with the specific expertise relevant to the project needs. Now, once you have a clear understanding of your project requirements, you can better determine the size and composition of the team needed to fulfill them. This step involves assessing the skills, expertise, and roles required for successful project execution. After understanding your project needs better, you need to assess the pros and cons of hiring a dedicated development team to make an informed decision about whether a dedicated team is the right fit for your project. This includes considerations such as budget, project timeline, flexibility, and control. As you can see, the dedicated development team model stands out from all other models for its utmost adaptability, client control, and the ability to create a team that aligns precisely with the project's unique requirements. However, it does also have some downsides, including potential management overhead for the client, as he bears the responsibility of managing the team, higher cost compared to fixed-price models, challenges related to time zone or cultural differences, and the risk of overstaffing without full resource utilization. If your business prefers a fixed budget and timeline with minimal involvement in day-to-day management of the development project, Jelvix recommends you consider another engagement model. Once you decide to opt for the dedicated development team option, it's time to research service providers. Now, choosing the right company for dedicated development services can be quite tricky with the numerous options available. But no worries, the Jelvix team is ready to help you out. At this point, think of yourself as a detective investigating possible development partners. It might require a thorough scrutiny and time dedication to consider multiple evaluation factors, from client references to cost transparency to quality assistance and security measures. But trust us, it'll be worth it. Make sure you go thoroughly through the company's website as well as explore some independent assessment platforms like Clutch, Good Firms, G2, Capterra, Trust Radius, and other trusted resources to form a comprehensive, multi-dimensional perspective on your potential partners. And once you shortlist the potential tech partnership candidates, you can start reaching out to them to learn more about their work approaches and contract terms. Discuss their ability to adapt to changing project requirements, scale the team size as needed, accommodate any unforeseen challenges, and align their work approach with your specific business needs. And last but not least, ensure that the contract provides a clear framework for collaboration and pay careful attention to the contract clauses related to potential changes in project scope, additional costs, and termination conditions. Once all the above-mentioned aspects are agreed, you can welcome your new partner. Time to sit back and relax with some tropical cocktails. Am I right? Of course not. The real work starts only here, as you're in the stage of onboarding your new partner. At this point, focus on setting up clear workflows and communication channels for smooth collaboration. And finally, as your project unfolds, it's your responsibility to regularly monitor its progress and provide constructive feedback to ensure alignment with expectations and goals. And one final note, remember, having a clear vision of the project's goals, work scope, and requirements, understanding potential bottlenecks and risks, and actively mitigating them through effective management are the core pillars of ensuring a successful implementation of the dedicated development team model. To learn more about how we can create a rockstar project team, watch our dedicated video. Also, support us by liking this video and leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye for now.